Booleans are a fundamental data type that represents binary truth values, true or false. They are essential for controlling program logic, enabling decision-making through conditional statements like if, repetition in loops like while, and evaluating expressions in logical operations such as and or not. Boolean always gives two values, either positive, which we call true, or negative, which we call false. We will create a variable number 1 we will call the input function, which always returns a string. So, even if we're going to ask the user to enter a number, we're going to check print type number 1. So we will see that input always gives the string class. So what are we going to do? We have to type number 1 equals integer number 1 so that the value is an integer. Now we have converted to an integer, we will create another variable. We will call it number 2. We will give it the value of 3. Number 2 is equal to integer number 2 to convert it to a number. Now, we will compare the two numbers. We compare whether number 2 is equal to number 1 with the double equals operator. The result will be true if the numbers are equal, false if the numbers are not equal. This is a Boolean operation that returns a Boolean true or false. That's why we're going to check with print type. As you see, for the integer class for number 1 and number 2, when we compare the two, we got a Boolean true value. Here we will change the value. Now we will give it 2, so it is different. We will execute. Then the value is false and the class is Boolean always.